Deb. How are you? I haven't been on for a little while, since I think Wednesday night. And I just came on to share with you the projects, one that I made on Wednesday night and one that I started on Wednesday night. That was the live with Kathy's Cards, Andrea Stever-The Midnight Crafter, and Tina's Crafty Life, where we were altering corks. So this is the one that I had finished, except for I just added a book ring from Dollar Tree on, so they can be attached to a journal or a pocket letter or anything like that. So this is the first one. I went with blues. I do have little butterfly stickers up here. They were from AC Moore. I think there's a little bead under there. And I just have lace going around underneath the top up here. And this is a double, like a stretchy lace here. And then this row of blue trim, blue flower trim. And then 2 rows of the iridescent. I don't know if you can see the iridescence in that or not. A little bit maybe. Iridescent beads on a string. And then I put the remainder 3 flower stickers on, and then I had a blue, like a rose, that I just thought looked nice there in the center. And then this has a tiny little, well, a bit of a bead dangle in the middle, which is peeking out here. Not a big one, but a little bit of one. It's kind of tangled up in these beads here right now. Anyway, that's why it's not laying right. So there's, you know, got some blue beads and white beads and things. So I did that on the live. And let me just, I'll be right back. So there we go. There's the bead dangle that's peeking out from the inside. And then just lots of ribbons and trims that I had in my stash. And these thin little beads, and then some that are a little bigger. These are not flat back. These are just round bead trims. And then I just tied it with a ribbon there. And I used a little bit of like turquoisey blue, all different shades of blue. Okay, so that was the first one. The second one, I had gotten as far as putting this acrylic bead, flower bead, upside down with a little, I call them daisy beads, like a daisy spacer and a white bead here. I used silver artistic wire to go through the cork on both of them actually. And then under here I just have a piece of, I'm not sure it's the Dollar Tree trim, it might be, and this piece of lace. And then I did another little piece of lace here to hide the connection down here. And then I had a little bit of these flat back pearl trim, and I still have a tiny little piece left, so I put that around at the top. And then down here I did another one of the acrylic flowers, but with a silver bead cap flattened out with a white bead on it. And then I connected that, and a white bead under also. I connected that to some chain and just put all sort of white cream and oh, what do they call that? Opalite type, it's a man-made material, but opalite type beads and some silver. So that is the bead dangle. And I decided on this one not to put the ribbon hanging down, because I thought this sort of looked like, you know, a little dress or a fairyland or something. And I put a little fairy down at the bottom. And that actually, I was inspired by Dorinda when she mentioned that these seemed like they'd be nice for fairy things, but it's more flowery and just frilly and lacy. So I went with just whites and creams together and silver. And yeah, that's the bead dangle. And I think it hangs very well. So I might put another one or two on, I don't know. But these are both, I'm sending these to Tina for the auction on June 1st to help Andrea. Hopefully somebody will like them enough to buy them to help out with her medical expenses. And yeah, and then I'm going to add to that, this one was an altered spool I had done a while ago, and I'm not a purple person, but I love it. And I was originally going to hold it for my 2000 subby giveaway, but instead I'm going to donate it, and it's got some beads in here as well, peeking out the middle, and all kinds of purple trims, and some Stampin' Up! Polka dot trim, and just all kinds of stuff in it. It's beautiful. So I hope that someone will see it in their heart to like one of them enough to buy, so that and I'm sending some other things too. So Tina, if you watch this, your package is going out Monday the 20th, and I'll send you the tracking number, so it'll have all the other stuff in as well. Okay guys, so that is that, and I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you the next time. Hugs, love, and peace.